Everything humans built, silent. But out there, something is watching. 50 years after the last human city fell silent, Earth didn't stop. It reset. And the animals, they were ready.
Wolves were the first to understand what had happened. Where humans once roared with traffic and noise, silence became their invitation. Within a decade, wolves had reclaimed every major forest and most major cities. They didn't conquer it, they simply remembered it was theirs.
If wolves inherited the streets, crows inherited the blueprints. These birds have an IQ comparable to a 7-year-old child, and now, with no humans to compete with, they've become something extraordinary. They remember faces, they solve puzzles, they mourn their dead. Scientists who studied them before the collapse called them feathered primates. Watching them now, that doesn't feel like an exaggeration. The bear doesn't know what a supermarket is. To him, it's just a cave with an inexplicable amount of salmon smell, and he is absolutely fine with that. Bears can smell history in the walls. They can sense where thousands of humans once moved, breathed, argued, and laughed. We left ghost scents everywhere. In a way, we never really left.
While the wolves and bears get all the credit, the real reconstruction crew has been working since day one. Ants. 400 trillion of them. They were farming, building, and running supply chains before humans existed. They never stopped. One ant colony beneath the ruins of Chicago has a tunnel network larger than the original city. They don't know what Chicago was. They just know it's theirs now.
But here's what nobody talks about. This isn't a story of loss. It never was. The planet had survived 5 mass extinctions before us. It was never in danger. We were. And the animals? They just waited, patiently, with the kind of patience that only comes from knowing, at a genetic level, that the Earth always wins. The wolf doesn't grieve what's gone. The crow doesn't mourn the internet. The bear doesn't miss the lights. They're not living in our ruins. They're living in their renaissance. If this made you feel something, share it. There's someone in your life who needs to see this world.